Hey folks, Captain Mikey here, Sawgrass Fishing Charters in beautiful South Florida. Guys, I'm deep in the Everglades out here today and I'm meeting my good friend Scott Rose. Scott's taking me out on some amazing peacock adventures down in Miami, but it's my turn to pay him back. I'm taking him deep in the Everglades. Hopefully we're gonna nail some great big, large bucketmouth bass. Largemouth bass, that's what's on the platter today, guys. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, buddy! We got a big fish, guys. Guys, there we go. Absolutely gorgeous. He's there. Going right over your head right now. Get it, get it, get it. Whoa! I got one. Fish on. Did you see him slam that? Come on, get out of there. Oh, I got a nice fish, guys. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Whoa, buddy, that's a nice bass. Woo! That's the way to start. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. That's what we're coming here for. That's a nice fish. That's gonna be close to 5 pounds, man. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Out here deep in the Everglades. First fish of the day. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh, we're close, guys. 4.5 pounds. Well, folks, welcome to another episode. Sawgrass Bassing deep in the Florida Everglades. Out here with my good buddy Scott Rose and his buddy Andrew from New York. Today, we're slamming big bass deep in the glades. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Scott is on. He buried you right deep in that grass again. He's still there though. Not as big, but you got one on your bait caster. That's all you want. All right, another fish on here. What do we got? He just took this one right near the boat. Oh, that's a decent bass. There you go. Nice solid little bass. We're not gonna put this one in the live well though. About 1.5 pounds. But a solid bass, that's for sure. Andrew with his first fish there today. Awesome. That feels good, man. Nobody gets going. Nice little one. Gotta be at what, about 10 fish now? Somewhere in there. We've honestly missed at least 20. I mean, that was just back to back. I just said midday lull and 2 fish in 2 seconds. Still need to get a couple more for that live well though. Little fish. Got a big scar on his back. Gator got a hold of him. Look at that. Yeah, it's gotta be a gator. You guys, we're just slaying them out here. That one would hit me pretty deep. This guy's got huge, definitely got gator teeth marks in his back. But he survived and he's still fighting. He's about 1.75 pounds. Guys, I'll explain a little bit of what we're doing here. This canal that we're fishing in is lined with this pepper grass. Pepper grass is a submersed under the water vegetation. Most of these bass seem to be buried right up inside of this pepper grass. So we're taking swim baits, trick worms, cut tail worms, anything like that. And I got them on actually swim bait hooks with a small 1/8 of an ounce. So swim bait hooks has the screw keeper that you screw right into the end. And then you're Texposing, burying that hook point into that. So what we're doing is we're casting up over top of all the grass, burning the lures across the surface of that grass, and then once we get to the edge of the grass, let it drop and let it sink. A lot of the strikes have been coming right off the edge, and a lot of them have been explosive smashes from the surface, from beneath. Oh yeah, just a little guy. That's the definition of grass bass. Oh, wow. There we go. Well, I thought I was recording a nice fight there, but Andrew got himself a nice 2-pound bass here. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. Good fight. Right on. Good job, brother. You on one? Scott's on one. Buried him in that pepper grass. There's a fish in there? Oh, there's a fish in there. Not big. He's not big. He's right on the edge. Had a half-pound bass in 14 pounds of grass. This is what we're dealing with, guys. There is a fish here. Here it is. That's a good fish. I seen him just. Oh yeah, buddy! We got a big fish, guys. Oh, buddy, this is a big one. That's a frickin' king. Guys, we got a monster on here. Trying not to horse him. Oh man, I thought he was bigger than that. That's still a nice fish, though. Guys, here we go. See, I think it's a little bigger than that first one. Yeah, what a mouth on him. We gotta put a weight on this one here too, and then we'll throw him in the well for the pictures later. Look at that, guys. Another 4.5-pound fish. Absolutely gorgeous. Gotta love it. All right, guys. End of the day. Let's see how much damage we really did. Whoa, you can down. Oh yeah, buddy. There's one. I hand that one off to you there. We're back for number 2. Oh yeah. Big after big after big, guys. We had an absolutely awesome day out here in the Florida Everglades. Guys, when you're pulling these out of your live well, that's a hell of a day. Hell of a day. Twins. Absolute twins. Look at those beauties. That's fantastic. Alright, let's get these girls back in the water here. Beautiful, beautiful fish. What a day. Love it. Oh man, guys, what a day. What a fantastic day. Ended up catching around 30 fish in total. We got a couple right around that 5-pound mark, a few threes, a few twos. It was just on fire. Just give you guys a little breakdown of what we did use out here today. We were all using some pretty heavy casting equipment, medium heavy, 7-foot, 7'2" carrot Stix rods, coupled up with ardent reels, and those ardent reels were all spooled up with minimum 40-pound braid. We were dealing with some heavy weeds, as you guys can see, so you needed to have that heavy equipment no matter what. But what a day, just unbelievable. And what a wrap up to a fantastic weekend. Taking out Scott Rose and his buddy Andrew today, caught another 30 fish and some great big beautiful bucket mouths. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope you liked that. And if you really did, smash the heck out of that like button. And leave a comment for me. Leave a comment on anything else you'd like to see me make out here, and I'll do my very best to make a video out of each and every one of those comments for you guys. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're already subscribed, well, stay subscribed, because there's so much more coming in Sawgrass Bassing's future. Well, guys, that's it for me today. The sun's getting down. I'm hungry. I'm ready to go home, but I can't wait to see you guys next time. But until then, as I always say, the future is bright. You keep those lines tight.